Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Share ko po itong Senate Bill number 1446 ni Senator Erwin Tulfo. Napakaganda po nito. Ito po yung title, An Act Declaring a One-Month Tax Holiday, Exempting Compensation Income from Income Tax and for Other Purposes. Nako, napakaganda nito. Ito na ba yung sinasabi ni President Bongbong Marcos na instruction niya sa Department of Finance na bigyan ng paraan na maibsan yung mga withholding tax ng mga empleyado sa gobyerno at saka iba pa, no? Yung mga iba pang empleyado sa private man. Ito yung explanatory. The exposure of Alice Ghost flood control projects involving billions of pesos in public funds has gravely eroded public trust in government fiscal stewardship. In the wake of controversies, the Filipino people have raised a clear and resounding clamor. Ibalik ang bayan, ibaba ang tax. Nako. Dahil pala ito sa Ghost Project, kaya ito naisip ni Senator Erwin Tulfo. Dahil yung ating mga tax ay ninanakaw lang sa paggawa ng Ghost Flood Control, ay walang ginagawa, gino-ghost. Kaya dapat ibalik ang pera ng bayan at saka ibaba ang tax. Ito nakalagay, Our Constitution affirms that sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them. As the maxim goes, Salus Populi is Suprema Lex. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko yung intindi. Pati yung pagbasa baka hindi tama yun. Ibig sabihin doon ay the welfare of the people is the supreme law. Yun pala. It is therefore both just and necessary that the state respond by providing tangible relief to the very taxpayers who sustain it. This measure grants a one-time, one-month tax holiday on compensation income, allowing Filipino workers, particularly those in the middle class who bear much of the tax burden, to take home their salaries in full for the said period. Okay? Yan po yung panukala ni Senator Erwin. Tingnan pa natin. Sabi dito sa explanatory note, while taxation is recognized as the lifeblood of the state, we must equally recognize that this lifeblood flows from the people themselves. At a time when public confidence has been shaken, this bill provides a fair, extraordinary, and immediate form of relief that returns benefits directly to the people. To safeguard its intent, the bill includes a non-diminution clause to ensure that employers cannot offset or reduce employee wages during the tax holiday. It likewise mandates transparency and accountability in its implementation, particularly from the Bureau of Internal Revenue and the employers. In view of the foregoing, the immediate passage of this bill is earnestly sought. So ito nga yung sinasabi ni PBBM na kahit wala ng ganito, wala ng batas, pwede na yan sa executive order. Sana ay mabilis na bigyan ng gumawa ng executive order na mayroong 1 month na tax holiday, lalong-lalo na sa mga teachers at iba pang empleyado ng gobyerno. Ito yung kanyang bill, may short title na 1 month tax holiday Act of 2025. So yan, may declaration of policy. It is the policy of the state to restore public trust in fiscal governance and uphold the equitable tax system that is responsive to the needs of the people and mindful of their contributions to national development. Tapos yung 1 month, Section 3, 1 month tax holiday on compensation income, notwithstanding any provision of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended, and other applicable laws, rules, and regulations, there is hereby granted a one-time 1-month income tax holiday applicable to individual taxpayers receiving compensation income. Nako, napakagandang news niyan. Sabi dito, for the duration of the designated tax holiday month, all compensation income shall be exempt from income tax. The exemption shall apply exclusively to individual taxpayers receiving compensation income, provided that in the case of mixed income earners, only that portion of income which is classified as compensation income shall be exempt under this act. Employers shall not withhold or remit income taxes for said period, and no penalty shall be imposed on their employers or employees for the suspension of tax withholding during the tax holiday. Section 4, non-diminution of benefits. Noting that this act shall authorize an employer, whether public or private, to reduce, deter, withhold, or otherwise diminish the compensation, allowances, or benefits of the employees during the tax holiday month. Authorized deductions. The tax holiday granted under this act shall not cover deduction pertaining to mandatory contributions ng GSIS, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, loan amortization of, or other payments voluntarily authorized in writing by the employee. And the period of implementation is 1 month. Tax holiday shall take effect on the first payroll month immediately following the approval of this act. It shall be availed of only once during the taxable year and shall not be carried over in the subsequent taxable years. Uniform application for Section 7. To ensure the equity and fairness, the tax exemption granted under this act shall apply uniformly to all individual taxpayers receiving compensation income, regardless of sector, employment status, or compensation level, for income derived from sources within the Philippines. For Sections 8, Transparency and Accountability, the Department of Finance, through the Bureau of Internal Revenue, yung BIR, shall submit to Congress within 60 days after implementation a report detailing the foregone revenue and number of taxpayer beneficiaries and measures undertaken to ensure compliance with this act. Employers shall maintain a record of exempted compensation and make such records available for audit. Implementing rules and regulations within 15 days from the effectivity of this act, the BIR shall issue the necessary rules and regulations for its effective implementation. Failure to promulgate such rules and regulations shall not prevent the implementation of this act. Nako, napakagandang bill nito. Sana ito ay pumasa. Okay na rin yung 5,000 pesos na tax exemption, ano? Bali yung buwan ng withholding tax na 5,000, yung iba 4,000, iba mas mahigit pa, ay hindi na po ikakaltas sa buwan na yan. Okay? Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.